guys, how are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Kenya if you are new here, and today we are doing house hunting along WAIYAKI way in Keno, and we are going to be looking at one bedroom houses in two different apartments. In two different apartments. One house is going for 18,000 and the other one is going for 19,000. Okay, for those who live along WAIYAKI way, you know that, okay, to me, prices are a little bit exaggerated. It's not like the Road or any other place. I think a house that could go for 15,000 on Thika Road can go for up to 18,000 along WAIYAKI way, especially if the house is near the road. And yeah, basically that is what you are going to be doing. And without so much talking, let us get to the first house already. This is the first house, and you have some space outside the house. I think it starts from here, so you have all that space to yourself. And let us get in and first house. And this is the sitting room, which is quite spacious. Okay, I think the size is enough, and we have those light fixtures over there and the light there. And this house is a one-bedroom house, as I told you in my intro. And from the sitting room on your left is that sink, which is quite big, and a small camera. And then we have the washroom here. Okay, the washroom and the bathroom are separated. So this is the washroom and this is the bathroom, and we have the shower there and a soap dish over there. And we have this area over here, and then on this side is the bedroom. This is the bedroom door. So this is the bedroom over here. Okay, not big and not so small. I think again it's a good size for a small family. And we have that big window over there. That is why there is a lot of lighting in this house. As you can see, the bulb is not lit. So that is it. And we have the closet here. You can arrange your folded clothes over there, and you can use this one for your makeup. I think this house has just been moved out of, and we have a drawer over there and more storage there, and we have another closet in there. As I told you, this house has just been moved out of, so it hasn't been cleaned yet. We have more storage space on top there. Yeah, that is the bedroom. That is it. So let's go see the kitchen. The kitchen is on this side. The kitchen is quite big, by the way. This is the kitchen. You can fit your fridge and your stove. We have those there and the bell there, and we have the cabinet here and a window there, the door, and more storage space over there. And we have the sink area there, and generally that is the size of the kitchen. And then outside the kitchen door we have the balcony. Yeah, and we have the hanging lines here. And this house is just near the road. You can see the road, the road leading to the main road there. Yeah, it's very near the road, by the way. It's a minute walk from the road. So that is it. Let me know your thoughts about this house. Okay, yes, at least we can see the size of the sitting room from here. And sorry about the noise, I think children are playing. So that is it. This house is going for 19,000 plus 19,000 deposit from plus the garbage fee and the water fee. I will put all the details in the comment and on the description box below. Here, that is the size of it. I don't love the tiling of this house. Yeah, and we have the light over there, the window. We have two windows to this house. There is that one and there is that one. Not as big, actually it's not big. I don't know what your thoughts are, but that is the sitting room. It's quite small. And then we have the bathroom over here. I hate the tiling of this bathroom. I think it's too much, and again it's quite small. We have the shower over there, and we have the tissue holder over there, and this one hasn't been cleaned yet. So that is the bathroom, quite small. We have this area over here. The tiling are quite off. I hate the flowery tiling. We have the bell over there and the token, and we have a small sink here and a mirror, and that is it. And then the other room is the kitchen, which is tiny. Okay, here goes the kitchen. Here is somewhere where you can put your stove, I think, or fridge. In this kitchen we choose to have one, a fridge or a stove. Yeah, that is the area left for you. We don't even have counter space because this one is just a sink area. And then we have the storage spaces over there. We have some more storage spaces over there, and this is the size of the kitchen. Actually small, it's small. That one I'm not going to lie, it's small. And then we have a small car window over here and a door. And then outside the kitchen we have a tiny balcony-ish. We have a place where you can put your hanging lines, and that is the size of the balcony. Actually small, it's small. And again the tiling not my fave. And this is our bedroom right over here. At least the bedroom is quite big, but not as big anyway, but it's a good size. Let's say that. We have a window here. It's bringing a lot of sunlight actually. And the tiling off. I love simple plain tiles. That is why I'm saying they are off. Yeah, that is the size of the bedroom. And we have the closet over there. We have this place where you can put your extra storage. We have here where you can hang your clothes. We have the drawers. We have a bigger one here and a shoe rack. Yeah, and a shoe rack. And that is it for today. Let me know your thoughts about the house. Let me know also about what you think about the pricing of the houses. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. and let me see you on my next video. Bye.